talk about some exhaust clamps here, guys. Got a couple different styles of the band clamps. Lap joint type of a style. So if the pipe is going into a pipe, that will clamp that. I guess you'd call this a butt clamp. Pipe right up against the pipe. Same size pipe. But this is kind of the cheaper style one that I like to stay away from. This is the one I like using as far as the clamp style. This is a nicer one. You can see that centerpiece. This has that also, as you can see. It's much thinner and smaller. But the biggest difference you'll see on this end, you'll have this piece here and the same on the other side. And there's through bolts that go all the way through with hex head bolts. And some of these newer, cheaper ones, they've eliminated the hex head and they've eliminated that whole bar that goes through. And they've just rounded off the edges on these studs to catch in here. These are kind of junk. I mean, they'll do the job, but if you ever had to take these off again, I've seen these actually start to spin in here while you're trying to remove the nut on that side. No. Junk. These are way better. Nice and solid. These things are better to use. So they've eliminated that piece on one end just to save a few cents. And just cheaply made that way. These seem to be nice quality product that's going to hold. It's going to work for a while. And if you ever need to remove them, it's not an issue. You can use a wrench or a socket on either end. Versus this style, you can't do that.